Today, we're going to review the top 5 best tile and grout cleaning machines for home use, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
McCulloch Mc1375. McCulloch Mc1385 is a massive but easy to maneuver steam cleaner. Easy to move because it has 2 huge wheels beneath and a padded handle. It includes not just a couple but 23 accessories for cleaning jobs inside and outside your house. Do not hold the cleaner more than a few seconds in one area. The steam is very powerful and could ruin the grout lines and finish. The accessories include mop and scrub pads, massive floor mop, nylon brushes, angled nozzle, and a lot more. Clean the corners, edges, even the ceiling with all the different accessories and the 10 feet steam hose.
Number 2.
Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. Dupre Neat is a heavy-duty, powerful steam cleaner. Deep clean the tiles and grouts without harsh chemicals, just with its dominant steam. Do not carry the whole rectangular box to different rooms, even if it has a convenient handle. Use the long hose instead. It not only removes the toughest of stains without any cleaning solution but deodorizes the ambiance too. You are disinfecting and sanitizing your floor from germs, bacteria, viruses, pathogens, bed bugs with plain water. The power of heat and vapor is always hard to comprehend.
Number 3.
Auric Commercial Orbiter Floor Machine. The Auric Commercial Orbiter creates it easy to scour and clean all floor surfaces, just as profound clean institutional evaluation rugs. Most ordinary floor scrubbers can be hard to utilize. That is the reason the Orbiter has a brush head that turns with no torque or gouging in an irregular circle for simple-to-utilize fingertip control. Rediscover the concealed magnificence of business rugs and uncovered floors. The best part is that the Orbiter was gladly worked in the USA with what's more, universally sourced parts. Business-grade multi-reason floor machine. Simple to utilize finger control. Incredibly flexible and compelling for all ground surfaces. Scours and cleans block.
Number 4.
Steam Mop Cleaner Therma Pro 10-in-1. In the event that you've tackled the issue of expelling free soil, flotsam and jetsam and pet hair from floors and need an apparatus to clean hard surfaces, this fueled mop is the best decision on Amazon and most steam mop audits. The steam both extricates stuck-on soil and disinfects the floor all the while. Quick arrangement will give your floors and covers that new look promptly. The enormous store fits up to 340 milliliters, 11.5 ounces faucet water. The Therma Pro Steam Mop accompanies various adornments, making hard-to-achieve surfaces simple to clean.
Number 5.
Homet Electric Spin Scrubber. This one is a cordless power scrubber with a 360-degree movable head. It spins, scrubs, and removes the stains. The two 3.65 volts 2150 mAh Li-ion batteries enable the scrubber to rotate 300 times in a minute. It is a built-in rechargeable LG battery that lasts for a long time, even after the rapid use of the cleaner. And you get 4 different types of brushes to attach with the cleaner's head. The different shaped brushes let you reach the weirdest of spots to scrub and clean. Among the extra wide flat brush, small flat brush, dome brush, and corner brush, it is the last one that works great to clean the grouts. Use the extra wide flat brush on the tiles. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you like the best tile and grout cleaning machines for home use we select for this year. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to the best tile and grout cleaning machines for home use, which are listed here, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.